Hi, hello, namaste, welcome back to my channel Nruthyamrutha. I'm Amrita Shankar. If you're new to my channel, please check down the description box below to find the previous videos links as well as the social media links. A very big hi to my new subscribers. Thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. Hope you guys are enjoying the videos as well as the channel content. And today we are going to talk about two things. One is the challenge. Yes, we are doing the challenge. Why not us? Because everything is a challenge nowadays. And second, about the online classes. I'll be talking about online classes in detail in the end of the video, so please stay tuned. So let's talk about the first thing, which is this challenge. I'm going to link 3 videos in the description box below as well as in the iCards over here so that you guys can check out what videos are those. One will be the Jagat Palam for sure, and 2 other I'll say whichever is short video, like a 1-minute video, so that you guys can recreate on that or do the same thing and send it to me. The challenge is that I want you guys to send in me videos in Facebook or in Instagram. As you guys already know, I am providing the social media links in the description box below. If you don't understand that, just go to Instagram, type Nruthyamrutha, click on follow, go to messages, drop me in your video. Same you have to do with the Facebook as well. You just have to type Nruthyamrutha Kuchipudi in the Facebook page search bar and you will get the Nruthyamrutha Kuchipudi Facebook page. You just have to click like this page and you just have to drop the video which you have shot, and make sure you do the videos for these 3 songs which I'll provide in the description box below. And I would be really happy to see most of you trying it out. So it need not to be perfect because no one in this earth is perfect. Maybe you are just a learner. Maybe you have already idea of that song, so you just have to recreate it on that 1-minute song. So let's see how many of you will accept this challenge and do it and send me the videos. Number 2, that is online classes. Yes, I'm taking online classes, guys. If you are very much interested to learn Kuchipudi further and faster than the YouTube videos, you just have to click on the WhatsApp number which is provided in the description box below, or you can message me in Instagram or Facebook as well. Online classes will be weekly twice. If you guys are interested and if you really want to learn by sitting in your home, not only during this lockdown but also when the life goes as normal, you can definitely ping me in Instagram or Facebook, or as well as I'll link down the WhatsApp number so that you can ping me over there. So please do message if you're very much interested in online classes. You'll be learning basics. If you are someone who have already learned basics and jatis of Kuchipudi, you can learn a song. You can either learn, if you are not very much interested in Kuchipudi things, you can learn the semi-classical songs. So what are the details, what should be done, the payment system, everything will be shared to you in Instagram, Facebook and WhatsApp once you text me. The classes are being taken through Zoom sections as well as through WhatsApp video call. So it will be according to your comfort and the timings will be based on your comfort. So it's a great opportunity, don't you think? You can sit at your home, you can learn dance at your free time, but make sure that free time is fixed for 2 days in a week. So that's it, guys. Hope you guys liked today's video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also comment down in the comment section below to know more details. And if you don't know my Instagram ID, it's Nruthyamrutha, and the Kuchipudi Facebook page is also Nruthyamrutha Kuchipudi. So that's it, guys. Don't forget about the challenge. Please let me in those videos. I'll post them in Instagram as well as in YouTube. So bye, guys. Take care.